Handkerchiefs are back in style, and I want to introduce you to this incredible brand who just gifted me their entire line of organic handkerchiefs. Now, why am I so excited about this? I go through way too many tissues. My whole family does. And while I have found planet-friendly toilet paper that we're all okay with, tissues need to be soft, and I have never found a truly soft and planet-friendly single-use tissue, so I am thrilled to put these to the test. Now, these are made in South Korea, 100% organic cotton, and for every single one you get, Hanky plants a tree. They are really focused on sustainability, and they are bringing back sustainable handkerchiefs to your wardrobe, bringing them back to style. So I got all of their different embroidered handkerchiefs, and these are seriously the cutest. They come in all paper packaging that you can dispose of responsibly that talk about this incredible handkerchief. And every single one comes with 2 embroidered corners. This one is the earth embroidery. And when you open it up, you'll see on the other side, it has the H for hanky panky. It is clearly a natural cotton fiber, really nice weave throughout. And what I like about it is that it is thin enough and well stitched enough that it's small while still looking like it has some good absorption there. And it really has nice, clean stitching along all the edges. Yes, it's just a handkerchief, but it's a handkerchief that is made to last, and that when you fold it up, maybe you'll fold it up a cute way, maybe with a little corner up. You can definitely put it in a pocket, maybe even your pants pocket, having the little embroidery stick out, and you have something really cute on hand when you need to blow your nose, or maybe clean up a mess, or someone had an injury and you need something to cover the injury. You definitely are not limited to just blowing your nose with these handkerchiefs. They are multi-purpose cloths that you can keep on you and look cool doing so. Let's check out all the different ones I got. Obviously, this one's the planet Earth, and I absolutely love the rainbow. And then there's the ladybug. And something that's also fun is that the H for hanky panky is actually changing color with each handkerchief as well. So each one is uniquely marked on those 2 corners. And then we have an adorable tree, which I think is very fitting since this planted a tree. The heart hanky and the sunflower hanky. Now, these do recommend doing a cold water or hand wash most of the time. Unless you're sick, you can wash these hot. They are just cotton, but the cold water specifically to help the embroidery last longer. Now, the main test, of course, is how does it feel rubbing on my face? And it's interesting in that when I hold it in my hand, it doesn't feel as soft as I think I'd want. But when I'm rubbing it all over my face, it feels really quite soft. And it definitely feels more absorbent. I think it's just the difference of rubbing a tree product on your face, facial tissues, versus a cotton product. So just rubbing cotton is just a little more gentle. I could definitely see myself using this more because of that. Now, my other question is, how absorbent is this? Now, this is where I really wish I was actually sick to put it to the test, even though I don't know if I'd want to do that for video, but let's just check it in some water. Now, it's hard to actually test how absorbent a handkerchief is since that's not actually what's going on here. It's really just going to help capture and then dry off. But let's say I got it soaking wet. This part is really impressive. Where a facial tissue will have dissolved by what I just did in the water and definitely needs to be thrown away, this, while soaking wet, is still a usable handkerchief, and it can air dry. Yes, I know that sounds a little gross, but we all know that colds are not pretty, and sometimes you just need something that works for as long as you need it to. This definitely does. And what I like is, even though it is soaking wet right now, it is still completely usable. And because it's so thin, I'm confident this will dry out very quickly as well, making it even more useful moving forward. So yes, if you are looking for handkerchiefs, if you want to maybe just level up your style, you want something cute in your pocket, or you really want that functional handkerchief, these are great. And I am definitely going to be using these moving forward. And I will be doing more videos after I wash these, have a cold, have some more experience with them, and can really tell you with experience what I think about these handkerchiefs. But on first impression, they are so cute, really nice to have something that's reusable and extremely functional.